Because you can lose weight and still be fat. You can lose weight and still be unhealthy. You can be skinny and be unhealthy. You can be skinny and be fat. But does it actually burn fat? Does it minimize any future health issues that you have? Does it minimize current health issues that you might have? I know a lot of people might be wondering, or y'all look at this video trying to see, is the Sauna Suit legit? Is it a scam? And does it actually help you lose weight? I got an answer for you. I'm gonna tell you what it is. I used to play ball. Not telling to bore y'all with a long story. When you play Little League, everything is very weight heavy. So when I was a kid, a lot of the bigger kids used to, you know, in the morning, used to wear big trash bags, hot box in the car. When I mean hot box, they sit in the car, they sweat it out. Not this hot box, but the other hot box. That was the hot box I knew about. But they'll sit in the car and they'll lose weight, get on the scale, and then they can play. So, other words, does this help you lose weight? Yes, it does. But the better question y'all need to be asking yourself is, does it actually burn fat? And does it remove or minimize any underlying or current health issues that you already have right now? And a lot of times that people wear these type of stuff or have these equipment is that they think they always in a get fit quit mindset. So they wear something, they get small results, and they think that it's a solution. It's been a lot of time I see in a lot of these videos that they have, oh, I lost 14 pounds in 2 weeks. I lost that, blah, blah, blah. It's such a quick time. It doesn't work. You can burn weight differently. I can lose muscle and lose weight. I cannot eat and lose weight. But is that the healthiest way to lose weight? No, it's not. So that's why I would say, like, losing weight ain't really saying nothing, because I can stop working out and I can lose weight and get skinny. But am I healthy? No. People like the Sauna Suit a lot because you get to see your results. You get to see the sweat. So a lot of times that when you do traditional workouts, you don't get to see the fat come out your body, but you can see the sweat. So it seems like you're working. It seems like you're actually doing your thing at the gym. So a lot of times people will love these using Sauna Suit because you get the instant gratification of hard work when you wear a Sauna Suit. What is this? What is a Sauna Suit? What does a Sauna Suit actually do? It essentially helps retain heat, you know, to help, you know, maximize your ability to sweat more. And what is that important? One of the biggest things that with sweat, they don't understand the benefits of how sweat really works, and also how does it help with your health. Sweat is composed of a few things: water, sodium, potassium, magnesium, and other electrolytes, and a few other chemicals as well. The biggest three that I said before is very critical to your health. I'm gonna start with this one: sodium. Now you might be thinking, oh, sodium, okay, what's the significance of that? Most people, even if you're healthy, I mean healthy, fitness person, whatever you consider healthy, 9 times out of 10, they're overeating and have a high intake of sodium. Sometimes it benefits you, sometimes it doesn't. You know what I'm saying? So some people can eat, it's like, you know, sometimes people can eat a whole bunch of cake and sweets and never get diabetes. But one person can eat like probably 2 things and all of a sudden their insulin is acting crazy. So everybody's body is different, but even that, everybody's still overeating on sodium for the most part. But I recommend people that do this, if you have high blood pressure or you have family history of high blood pressure, I recommend you wear a Sauna Suit when you guys work out. And yes, would you pass out? Would you have other health issues? That'll go into other thing I'm about to explain later. Because when you wear a Sauna Suit, it helps sweat out that sodium and you eat when you work out. So it's not like it's not gonna cure high blood pressure. Come on now, we're not gonna be unrealistic with this, but it is a very helpful thing to wear if you do have high blood pressure, because you're gonna be sweating all that sodium out. Will it sweat all the sodium out? No, but it'll be accelerant of that. Long as you are eating healthy and trying to make sure that you are eating lower sodium foods, like stay away from canned foods. Don't go out to eat as much. Sometimes just taking away the small stuff can make a big part with your health for the most part. And if you do this, you work out and have the Sauna Suit, it'll do well. And yes, you're gonna be all sweaty. You might go to the gym and you might look crazy. I agree. Sometimes even when I'm walking around right now, how you doing? Sometimes even when I'm walking around right now, I could be drenched with sweat. I even took this to the mall and I'm looking at the floor, I see it all drenched. So sometimes it's easy to get very self-conscious of overly sweating because it can be icky enough, something like that, but it is very beneficial in that part. Also, another underlying thing that is very key contribute of making sure that you maximize your sweat and help benefit your health is that it also helps with sleep, because sweating a little more often in a workout environment, because you can say you can get dry sweats and other forms of sweat, and that's not really good for your health, but sweating more while you work out is actually more conducive to having better sleeps, because it helps release dopamine. If you know what dopamine is, it's kind of help, maximize your sensation and all that good stuff, blah, blah, blah. That's in a very simplistic way of me explaining it. But why is sleeping important? Sleep helps with recovery of the body. The more you sleep, the more you have time for your body to repair and replenish and restore, anything that damaged your body. How does it help me lose weight? Studies have shown that if you sleep more, it helps with the absorption of fat. So if you sleep more, it helps actually has signs of actually burning more fat, because like I said, you have more time to actually recover your body. So you have time to actually burn those fat cells. Also, the bigger thing to that is not necessarily that having that sleep, is that when you have more sleep, it actually raises your level of lifting. What is lifting, guys? Lifting is that sensation when you get hungry, all of a sudden you just want to eat something. You want to go get a midnight snack. Do I think it's a scam? No, I don't. But if you use it with the wrong intention, I think it is. And if you think you can just put a Band-Aid on high blood pressure or other diseases, then you got this for the wrong reason. This should not be a primary thing to get, and to help minimize that, this should be a supplementary equipment that you should get for yourself and your family if you are recommending and giving it to somebody else. So let me know what you guys think. Hit the subscribe button and I'm out. Gone.